Hello friends, welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss that when we have hunted our part and finally now we have to source the part from the reseller, distributor or manufacturer, how we can do that and what we have to keep in mind while we are doing sourcing of the part. So let's proceed. For example, I have or you have hunted the part like mobile phone cases. For example, it is just example. Mobile phone cases. Okay, so it could be a specific mobile model number. Let's proceed for iPhone 14. 14. Okay, so I just want to, for example, I just want to sell this part, and I have checked the stats of these parts. Now, what I have to do means I'm just teaching you that after hunting the part, what you have to do, how you can source that product from China or any manufacturer from Alibaba. So, for example, I want to sell these cases. What I will do, you just have to go to Alibaba, and here you have to type the same text. It's not necessary that you will sell this part. It is just an example that when you have completed your hunting and now you are ready to source the part and now you are ready to sell that part. So definitely you will need to now have to source that part to Amazon. And also let me clear you, on Amazon we have two options. One is Amazon FBA, which is known as fulfillment by Amazon, and the second one is FBM, which is known as fulfillment by merchant. What does it mean? It means that if you want that Amazon will pack the product and Amazon will ship that product to your customer, then you will do Amazon FBA, and also you will list your product with the module of Amazon FBA. Then what you will do, you after hunting the pod, you will contact your supplier and direct from your supplier you will send your inventory to in Amazon warehouse. And when someone will purchase your product from Amazon, Amazon will pack that product and Amazon will ship that product to your customer. And in FBM you will source the part from the supplier to your home or your private warehouse, and when someone will purchase that product, you will pack that product and you will ship that product using any courier services to your customers. So this is the difference between the listing. So before you source the part and after hunting, keep in mind the difference between Amazon FBA and Amazon FBM. So so let's proceed that what we see during the sourcing of the part. So we have finalized this part and now we want to sell this product, iPhone 14 phone cases. I will go to Alibaba and I will just search the same. So let's copy this text and paste it here. But before this sourcing step you have to do a lot of work. Means that you have to hunt the prod, you have to analyze the stats of the prod, and definitely you have to check the trends and compare. You have to do the competitor analysis also. So here you see a lot of suppliers who offer the iPhone 14 cases of different designs of different colors. So before that you have to make some checks. The first one is trade assurance. Click on that. We just want to proceed with the suppliers who have the trade assurance. It means that if supplier want to scam you, and then you can use this option to get back your money. So keep in mind, always click on trade assurance and also verified supplier. These two checks you have to make before you select your supplier. So this is the basic thing that you have to do. Okay, now all the suppliers that will appear here are having trade assurance and also are verified with Alibaba. Okay, so see, this is a supplier who is selling one unit with $0.48, and with the 50 pieces, definitely minimum order quantity is 50 pieces. You can order 50 pieces and you can start your business with only $200 to $300. You have to ask him the DDP price. Keep in mind, the DDP price means that the supplier will create the will manufacture the product and will pack the product and will ship it to your country, which is USA or UK or anywhere else. So keep in mind, always ask the DDP price. DDP price, keep in mind. Okay, from here you will select any supplier because they all are verified, they all have the trade assurance, and try to select those suppliers now who have a lot of experience of years and also have more gems, more than two gems. So it will be best if we can select the seller who is with the 3 gems. See, this is 9-year-old supplier. He's verified. He has the trade assurance also, and he has 3 gems. But his price is 0.50, and you have to order minimum order quantity is $100, and you have to ask him the DDP price, that when he will ship the products to Amazon warehouse, he will pay all the customs, he will pay the shipping fees he send via train, or he send via by sea or by air. It will be his headache. So keep in mind, ask him the DDP price. I think you are clear now that what is the DDP price. Let me tell you again. The DDP price means that the supplier will manufacture the product. He will pack the inventory in the cartons. For example, you have ordered 100 pieces, he will pack the 100 pieces in the carton, and he will clear the customs, and he will send these 100 units to your private warehouse or to your Amazon warehouse. So always ask the DDP price, and always keep these 3 checks in mind. The supplier should be verified, the supplier should have the trade assurance, the supplier should have more than 2 gems, and he should be more than with 3 to 4 years. So it will be best. Now you have to just select the supplier and just place order with him and proceed with him. Anything, if you are confused with anything, if you want to ask about this sourcing step, you do not hesitate to ask. I will answer your all questions in the comment box. Do not hesitate. I will definitely reply your queries. So but definitely these 3 things do not forget: verified, trade assurance, and you have to ask the supplier the DDP price. So it will just decrease your headache definitely when he will pack the inventory and he will clear all the customs. So if you like this video, and if I am helping you to grow your business on Amazon Seller Central, so please click on like, thumb, and also subscribe this channel and share with your friends too. Thank you so much, and always welcome to Dragon e-commerce YouTube channel. Thank you.